Okay, here's the Cops game. Only physical damage that I noticed is right here on the corner. It's missing some of the laminate. And on the back here, this is before we're crating it up. It's obviously on the pallet. I took and I put your dongles in that behind this fan inside of there. Got to take that back panel off. Put all your keys in this box. And then here's a bunch of operators manuals. That I'm going to go through and I'm going to enclose in your coin box for you. And then we're going to seal that all up in there. We'll go over that in a minute. Here it is on the pallet. There's the roll bar.